Okay guys, this is engineer Sadaqatali, and today I am going to tell you about general purpose inverter control board. So this is basically a GPIC board. We call it general purpose inverter control. What is happening here? This is the NI SBDO FPGA based. It is an FPGA based controller, and this is a three-phase inverter. This is the power supply to supply the DC board to this inverter, and this power supply supplies to the auxiliaries of this board, and this is the induction motor. So what is happening here, we develop different control strategies to control three-phase induction motor. So in this GPIC system, you can design your own control algorithm to control this three-phase induction motor. So let me explain what's happening here. This is a variable transformer. Now as per this board, you can basically supply up to 24 AC volts, right? Here in Pakistan we have 220 AC volt inputs, and this transformer has stepped down it to 24 volt. Then through this wire, this 24 volts comes here, right? Then we have rectifiers. This AC voltage is converted into DC and filter out with the help of these capacitors, and then again that DC is converted back into three-phase AC. So we have two different inverter sets we can use here, right? And the output of this three-phase inverter basically goes here. You can see these are the three different wires, and these three different wires are coming here. This is a three-phase induction motor. You can see its power rating. And what is this? This is basically the encoder. It tells the controller that it basically feedbacks the speed of the motor. You can control this motor in two ways. Either it can be controlled with open loop or closed loop. With the open loop, you can only control it, but you will not get your desired speed. But with the closed loop, the data is transferred using this encoder into here. You can see these are the digital input outputs to this board, and we program this board with the help of LabVIEW FPGA, right? We program this board with the help of LabVIEW FPGA. So I will explain later in my upcoming videos that how we can basically program this single board trio SPDO, right? As far as the power cables are concerned, so we have different power cables. Like for SPDO, we have this connection. For this lower board, this one, we have this connection. For the auxiliaries of this board, we have this supply, and in the last but not the least, this is a variable AC transformer. So basically there are four inputs, one for the SPDO, one for the auxiliaries, one for the inverter, and one for the variable transformer. So in my upcoming videos I will be explaining how basically we can control this board in order to control this three-phase induction motor, and how we can design different algorithms. I will share with you how we can design like simple SPWM, like we have a space vector control, and there are other control techniques for three-phase inverters. So up to now this is it. Okay, thanks for watching.